Okay, now, good everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, we're looking at chemical bonds. Now, before saying anything, I want you to know that when you have a compound or when a compound is given to you, a compound consisting of two or more elements, there is a bond between those elements. And now, it is this bond we're going to be talking about in today's video. So, what I want you to do first of all now is to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order to receive more videos like this from henceforth. So now let's move on. Now we have it here, chemical bonds. So this chemical bond is divided into two parts. We have the strong bonds and the weak bonds. Okay. So now the strong bonds we have electrovalent slash ionic. Now people can call it ionic or they call it electrovalent. They are still the same thing. Or covalent. Are you getting me now? So now under this electrovalent or covalent, they call them intramolecular forces. Okay, so for the weak bonds, we have hydrogen bonds, we have van der Waal forces. So they call them intermolecular forces because they are weak bonds. Now, I'm going to be explaining electrovalent slash ionic bond. Now, first of all, what is electrovalent slash ionic bond? Now, this is the force of attraction between two oppositively charged ion. Now, example, I'll be making reference to this particular compound, NaCl, because it is known as what? A normal salt, right? Now, they said it is the bond formed between two atoms of oppositively charged ions. So now sodium has plus 1, which you are aware of, right? Now chlorine has what? Minus 1. So now if you look at this very, very well, their ions are not the same. Yes or no? This is plus 1 and this is minus 1. They have different ions. What is ion? Ion is the charge of an atom, whether negative or positive. So you can look at it now. They are oppositively what? Charged. So now this explains electrovalent slash ionic bonds. It's just like example also hydrochloride or your water. So you can look at it now. Their ions are what? Different. Okay, so we've done justice to this. Now looking at covalent bond. What do you understand by covalent bond? Okay, now covalent bond is the bond that is formed when two atoms, okay, donate equal number of electron to attain and they share the donated electron to attain stability. Now I'm still going to make use of this sodium chloride for an example. Now they said two atoms donate equal number of electrons. Now first of all, sodium is 281. I'm talking about the electronic configuration of sodium now, and chlorine is 287. Now, remember, two atoms, they donate equal number of electron, right? Now, sodium has one in its outer shell. If sodium donates that one, okay, and chlorine decides to donate one, now there are two electrons that this particular compound has donated. Now, if chlorine donates one, it becomes 286. Because of the fact that sodium has donated one, sodium has become what? Stable, right? But now chlorine is not stable. The one that chlorine donated and the one that sodium donated has become what? Two. So chlorine needs that two to become stable. So these two will be given to what? Chlorine. If you add to here, you have it as what? 8. So at this state, at this point in time, chlorine is what? Stable. So the both of them has attained a state of stability. Are you getting me now? So now we have done a justice to this. So we'll be looking at hydrogen bonds. What is hydrogen bond? Now, an hydrogen bond is a bond that is formed when hydrogen interact or react with highly electronegative elements like fluorine, bromine, that is for hydrogen bonds. So now we have van der Waal forces. What are van der Waal forces? Now, van der Waal forces is the force that is formed between discrete molecules or discrete particles. Okay, now, so the question now is how do you know or how can you tell from a compound which one is covalent or electrovalent? Now, the first thing you're going to do is to check their ions if they are or positively charged, like the one of sodium chloride. Now, not just that alone.